This is the fish I bought at the market. Catfish. Look at the goodness there, guys. If you guys can only smell what I'm smelling now. What should I say, guys? I grew up with this fish curry. I know it's gonna taste okay. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey, amazing people out there. How are you guys doing today? Well, I hope and pray you guys are keeping safe, taking good care of your health, and watching out for each other. This virus is here to stay, guys, so we gotta be very, very careful. Again, today in Suriname, we have 1,000 plus cases. So this is not gonna leave us for now, guys. So please do me a favor and take good care of yourself, guys. Take all necessary precaution. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Had my booster yesterday, and I have a sore arm and a little bit headache. But I know what's going to make me feel better today. Remember that catfish I bought at the market, guys? Well, we're gonna cook that catfish today. Catfish curry today. Mom is gonna cook it today. And it's a simple recipe, guys. I mean, you can see fish curry on the internet all over, but I'm gonna show you mom's way in doing it, the way I grew up eating it, the delicious way is prepared. And simple recipe, guys. No, nothing fancy, no fancy fish seasoning, nothing. Simple herbs, onion, garlic, black pepper, salt. Simple, guys. Join me, guys, and let's watch mom while she prepared this delicious spicy catfish curry. This is the fish I bought at the market. Catfish. Well, it's a species of the catfish, but this is one of the most delicious species I like. Uh, have three of these guys in the bowl there. That's going to be washed, clean, and prepared. And I know people would use vinegar to wash fish besides lime, but the vinegar would usually loosen up the flesh, softens the flesh. So the lime is the preferred choice for washing the fish. With the lime, you have turmeric. The turmeric would usually take out what bacteria is there in the fish, the smelliness and the rankness of the fish. So with a combination of turmeric and lime, that's the best choice to get this fish looking clean, guys. So we'll prepare this fish, prepare all the ingredients. I'll show you in a little while and we'll get back to you guys. All right, guys. So Mama's prepared everything for the fish curry already. See, the fish is washed. And you can see that the dryness on the fish, that's from the turmeric that Mama washed the fish with. So that fish is already washed and cleaned, prepared. And to go along with that, look at the other ingredients. We have the onion, garlic, pepper, spicy catfish curry, lots of pepper. The green onion and the celery, that's for garnishing, almost to the end. There's some grind up seasoning here. There's some onion, garlic, pepper, and thyme, and lots of tomatoes. Or some of you guys say tomato. We guys say tomati. And okra to go with it. I always love okra in fish curry. And you have the masala, curry powder, some all-purpose seasoning, turmeric. It's a mixture of everything combined there together. And we got salt and black pepper. That's it, guys. Simple, simple. Simple fish curry. You guys can try this at home. Easy recipe, guys. We'll watch mom putting all of these spices together. And guys, you can add coconut milk to your fish curry. I have a kind of a choice in that. There's some fish curry that I would like coconut milk inside, but not catfish curry. Catfish curry, I like to taste that tomatoes and the little sourness inside. If it's tilapia curry, then yes, you can put some coconut milk inside there. But like gilbaka curry, like fish curry, I'm not too keen on coconut milk. But that's my choice, guys. Okay, so the oil is already heated. So she's gonna let that fry for a while. And this is the grind up seasoning that we had in the ref already. No, that's okay. There's a lot of seasoning. Okay, now in goes the combination of spices, garam masala. You have curry powder, a bit of turmeric, some ginger, and what else? What else is in there, Mom? Some all-purpose seasoning. That's gonna fry for a while there now. And that's all the seasoning, guys. Basic, simple seasoning. This is my personal opinion. I mean, this is what I believe. And I've seen it from my mom and my grandparents cooking too. I'm not a firm believer in a lot of these seasonings. They have these packaged seasonings that comes in these packages like special fish seasoning or fried rice seasoning or chow mein seasoning. I believe in putting your own natural seasoning. The only thing I would use is some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. But other than that, the other seasonings, I'm not a too strong believer in them because lots of these seasonings, I know they have chemicals for sure in them. Now, Mom, she puts the tomatoes inside here now, or tomatoes, or you say, bye, bring us a tomato there. That's gonna all combine together. You can already smell the spices, guys. And of course, you're gonna have to add your salt to taste. Some people rather not too much salt. Some prefer lots of salt. We don't really use too much of salt. And now goes the salt in there. If it's not spicy, you can put another pepper. I can put 2 pepper inside, you know. To steam. Okay, let me get 2 peppers to steam. Local pepper here in Suriname. This is Madanchanet. It's called Madanchanet. Madanchanet. This pepper really gives the food a flavor. Very flavorful pepper, guys. You can't smell it like that. Put it inside now. Okay. I'll go in a little while. Smile, huh? She's shy, she's camera shy, guys. Look at the goodness there, guys. Look at the goodness there. Okay, now we put the fish in there now. And this is a very tender fish, guys. It doesn't take long to cook. Cooks really fast. That's a lot of fish there, guys. You guys can try this at home. It's safe. You guys can try this exact recipe at home. And I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. I can guarantee you 1001%. Cover it. Okay, we cover that. That's gonna cook there for a while. Checking it after about 5 minutes. My mom found some green mango in the freezer. Huh? Get some more water to that. You have to be gentle with the fish at this point. Gentle, gentle. Talat, some of this fish curry is for you, buddy. I'm bringing some over to you later. Ian, I wish I can give you some too, bro, but you're all the way in Guyana. I'll freeze yours and send it to you whenever someone's coming to Guyana. Oh. Adding the okras or the okra or the lady fingers inside now. This is the only way I love okra, is in a curry or is in a soup. But if you fry it up, oh, I don't know why I don't like it fried. It has a different taste when you fry it. For me, this is the best way. Yeah, guys, I have my funny ways too. But don't we all? Lots of sour, lots of spices, lots of pepper. Oh, there goes the big guy in there now. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. This is the green onions and the celery. They're more like garnishing. Maybe this is just me. I don't know, but I'm thinking if you put the green onions and the celery in the beginning and you try to fry it up, I think it just dissolves and you don't really get the flavor of it. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong.
You could put some on your fries.
Yeah, but I like it when it's on top of it, like garnishing when it's about to be finished. And then when you're eating your food, you can have some of that in your mouth. The taste of the celery or the green onion. Look at the goodness there, guys. If you guys can only smell what I'm smelling now. Doesn't have long more, guys. Maybe about 5 minutes more, according to mom. And then that's finished. Looking good, guys. Okay, guys, so we're gonna check in on the fish curry. Should be done by now. Look at the goodness there, guys. Now mom is gonna put the celery and the green onion garnish. And that's it, guys. Look at that curry, guys. Look at that curry. That's a sight to behold. So when you're putting that curry on your rice, then you have the celery and the green onions also in your plate. That's how I like it, guys. Different ways you can do a curry, right? But this is such a simple way. Finish, guys. That's it. Alright guys, I've been craving for this fish curry for so long. You know, during the Christmas break, you had all that meat and all that unhealthy food. Now it's time for the healthy food. Oh. And the sauce, I never like or when you say surwa, I never like a thin surwa. It has to be thick. If you have a thin surwa, when you put it on the rice, it disappears in the rice. To okra. Look at that food, guys. Look at that. Look at the goodness there. See? Can't wait, guys. Can't wait. I'm not gonna sit down today and try to be all neat and nice for the camera. I'm gonna dig in right away. Hot, guys. Hot, hot, hot. What should I say, guys? I grew up with this fish curry. I know it's gonna taste okay. It's delicious, guys. You can taste the spice there, guys. Woo! Piece of meat there. Look at that, you see? That is cooked so perfect. I'm gonna turn the stove. This finished, right? Okay, that's cooking away there. The catfish itself, the meat is so tasty. There's a taste on that meat. So delicious, guys. Trust me when I say it's delicious. One of the best fish to curry, guys. It's still hot. Add to the spicy okra. It's not soft that it makes the curry too slimy. It's just perfectly done, guys. It's hot though. It's good. Lady finger. Well, guys, I have my craving. I have lunch today. I have lunch tomorrow. Talat, there's some in there for you too, guy. I'll bring it for you later. So, guys, thanks to Mom for showing you guys the way she does it. I'm gonna continue eating, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. You can cook this at home. It's easy recipe, and try it and let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for the love, and I'll catch you guys in the other video. Bye for now, guys. Take care.